Welcome to Wonderland. Imaginative cuisine.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, we need to wait.
Super Mamu, Super Papu, Super Sai Kids, Super Sai, Super Sai 1, 1, 1, Super Sai 2, 2, 2, Super Sai 3, 3, 3. We are Super Sai World.
Go na. Thank you.
Button po sa gilid.
Go. What's the
What
Oh, wow. Ang bango.
is this?
Wash hands.
I have to keep it.
Sana pag-wash na ano? Sana.
Wash hands. This is just a
Push
wash.
to unlock the door.
It's okay, nagwa-wash lang naman tayo. Go wash na. Oh wow, kita mo dito Symphony of the Sea. Oh.
This is amazing.
Amazing, anak. Yeah, I love this.
I love this cruise. Let's go in the door.
Yeah, please wait to be seated. Okay, you can sit here. Where are we now? Wonderland. Why it's Wonderland? Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, let's go. Ay! I don't know. Malalaman natin ang gagawin.
Okay, by the way, your waitress is coming. Yeah, okay, so while waiting to her, if you want to start to brush your menu, you can. So your brush, just dip to the potion water, the magic water,
Ooh.
and start to brush it, yeah? Okay, yes. Yes.
Careful lang, ha?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Bunso.
Okay, brush it on.
Brush it.
Alright.
Go, brush it.
Okay, your waiter is coming now, okay?
Thank you po.
Poison water daw to. Poison water. Yeah, it's like poison water. Ooh. Magic. There you go.
So magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ano ba? Nahirapan ako ng Tagalog, pwede Bisaya. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Ay, may
Mamaya.
gutom na si...
Mamaya.
Sai 3.
Sai 3, yes.
May food allergies po ba?
Hindi naman talaga ano lang. Kahit konti lang. Okay.
Ito sa US.
Canada or Canada po kami.
Wow, sarap buhay. Cruise lang, ha?
Salamat sa Diyos po.
You love food. Ah, 11 years.
11 years.
And birthday, whose birthday? Sign 1, sign 2, and
Daddy.
Daddy's birthday. So you're gonna help me sing a birthday song and anniversary song for mommy and daddy, okay? So sign 1 is the lead singer, side 2, side 3 also a lead singer, and we are the backup singers. Kaya niyo ba yun? Okay? Opo.
Opo.
So, again, all I want you to do, gusto ko lang gawin nyo ngayon, kumain kayo ng dadalhin ko sa lamesa nyo, i-enjoy nyo lang, tapos after that, I'll make your big bunny cotton candy. I think you guys deserve that one, right? So, I'm gonna bring 3 glass of apple juice.
Oh,
And
wow.
mamila po sa inyo, or Sprite. Ano po gusto nyo?
Water lang.
Don't be scared. I love kids. Like my baby.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's have a tea party. Everything.
Hi guys, we are in Wonderland. The plate is oval. And why is the spoon and fork like this?
It's weird.
Is it like this?
Hey, it's weird.
So do it here too. And why all of this not?
Friend,
Yeah.
drink made from Wonderland.
Oh,
which
wow.
Gusto kong ma-experience nyo. I-try nyo kung gusto nyo. Pero kung hindi, just keep it there.
Oh, you use a straw, baby. What?
Sparkling water.
Some
Sparkling water. It's not sparkling. It's sparkling water. It's strawberry sparkling water. I know it's sparkling.
Thank you. Ayan.
You should
Anong
do it.
matapong?
Let me try. If it is actually, then you get $100. Actually, no.
What's the taste?
Sparkling water. It's sparkling water.
What's the taste, ate?
Strawberry sparkling. Mommy, it's sparkling. It's
Ooh, appetizer pa lang yan natin.
Opo, lahat ng
Hi.
gagawin ko, all our appetizer. Gusto ko nila yung food nila.
Stop.
You guys like your drink? Your drinks?
mini burger.
Oh, what? Girl, wait. Seconds. Okay ka lang ba?
Okay lang po, naghahanap lang ako ng
O, so ito na lang. Ayan, sige. Ah, it's okay yan.
Why in two sauces?
Dami mong question.
Can I eat this?
No, we need to pray. We need to pray first.
You guys need to listen first.
Oh, listen.
Para i-explainin ko kung paano nyo kakainin yung food nyo. So this is your first element on the table and we call this one as an element of fire.
Oh, wow.
Are you guys ready? Are you sure? I'm not ready.
Opo.
Okay, so again, a fire element. And 3, 2. This girl is a... You see? Now you know how to sing, huh? I want to sing loud, but I feel shy. Ang dami ng tao. So again, it's a fire element, not because of the smoke that came out, okay? But because of the small dot of sriracha. So spicy siya confident sa sriracha. So I made a request to the chef to take out the sriracha for you guys. But
Thank
still,
you.
there will be a little bit spicy of that because of the egg yolk. The egg yolk is not just a regular egg yolk. This is your bird's nest, or we call it as a devil egg po. So again, this egg yolk is not just a regular egg yolk because it has a mixture of mayonnaise, mustard, blue cheese with a little bit of Tabasco. So try it first. Again, the nest, it's edible nest. You can eat the nest as well. It's the same noodles that they use in Dubai chocolate, the Kataifi noodles.
Oh,
So in order for you to
okay.
enjoy the egg, carefully take out the whole egg. You
Okay.
pinch the noodles, you sprinkle all over the egg. So when you bite, feel the fluffy egg and the crunchy noodles. So, and the smoke that came out will also add flavor in the egg.
Okay.
The apple wood smoke. And this is our kids menu again. This is our cheeseburger with different kinds of dippings. There's a ranch, there's barbecue, and honey mustard with edible paper. Makakain po yung papel made from soya with some sesame seeds.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
And
wait,
then,
we need to
I'll
pray
get more,
first.
But enjoy.
Thank you.
That's a
In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, I'll try.
This
This is burger. Oh, later.
Let
Okay,
me
go.
try to eat this. Ready? Is this edible?
Yes, edible ano. Daddy, try natin to. But I want mainit. Hindi. Ipon mo to.
It is edible.
Yeah, it's
That's
edible.
a cheeseburger. Everything is edible, but be careful with the sticks, huh? There's a sharp
You need to wait, baby.
Mac and cheese.
Yes, the chef is now making the mac and cheese, but it's almost ready. So we have two kinds of vegetable here. I mean salad, where these are element of sun. We have
Element of
extracted. No, it's not
You
spicy.
listen, you
This
listen,
is
please.
a baby vegetable. This is a mixture of multicolor baby carrots, a pickled mushroom, maitake mushroom. There's a red beets, slice of asparagus as well.
Mhm.
And there's imaginative soil po na it's made from breadcrumbs.
Ah, okay.
Na nag-itim siya because of the squid ink.
Mm.
And there's a dressing of lemon honey dressing, onion
Okay.
dip on the side po, made from onion, Greek yogurt, and mayonnaise. So just a small bites of vegetable. This is our mushroom po. Okay?
Thank you.
And ito naman po,
Kumakain na sila.
this is our reconstructed tomato caprese salad. So basically, ano lang po siya, combination ng cheese, bocconcini cheese, blue cheese meringue, dry black olives, basil puree, tomato puree, at cherry tomato. Ito naman po, black olives at green olives. Pero slimy texture siya kasi na-blend na ng chef po. And then this is a tomato mousse, hindi siya totoong tomato. It is a mixture of ano po, salt, sugar, and garlic. Tapos sinuk siya sa Bloody Mary texture para maganyan yung kulay. Tapos in order for you to enjoy this salad, you just make a mess. I think that's Simon's favorite thing to do. Right? Making a mess. So basically combine everything together. Alright, so I'll
Taste.
Mix together.
Daddy, mix mo nga. Messy daw ang ano.
You have to make it messy, Daddy. Not like that, messy.
You said mix together.
Yeah, mix together. Okay, let me try. Ito daw, Dubai. Tanggalin daw muna to. Masarap, anak? Yan, ano yan? Anak, use your fork naman, please. Nandito tayo sa ano, anak eh. Anak.
So, I put pillow in me. I put Ate Kuya pillow. So, why is it cold?
This is naman deep fry mashed potato po. This one. So this is the shrimp.
Wow.
And this is what we call our purple potted shrimp.
But Daddy like this?
Yes. That one is for it's a little bit spicy.
Ang anak na,
Because of the sriracha.
spicy na.
No, it's not spicy.
Just remove the dot of sriracha po. Yan.
Ay, natanggal ko pa.
Okay, ito, minix ko.
Oh, ganyan po.
Ganyan talaga.
Ganyan siya. That's what we call the fire element again.
Fire
Because
element.
of the sauce. There is a scotch bonnet po with cream. But it's not too spicy. Mild lang po siya. Pero sa mga kids po, it's a ketchup naman.
Sinong chef nyo dito?
Ang dami po nila. Ayos sila kasi iba-iba po sila ng...
Ah, okay. Isa sila na nag-create na.
Oo. Tapos yung kumpanya po, may pinafollow din sila na ingredients. Tapos, procedure kung paano gawin. So, lahat ng barko, same naman.
Same. So, lahat may one.
Lahat. Ay, hindi lahat. Hindi lahat. Kung ano lang, Harmony, Symphony, Phantom, Wonder, Allure, meron. Hindi lahat. So, sa kanila po, mga ketchup lang. And then the shrimp have the same noodles on the mix, which is the noodles that we use in Dubai chocolate. Sige po.
Thank you.
Enjoy guys, bon appetit.
Come here.
Ang lasa.
Hindi ma.
Hindi siya mahal.
I hear Daddy.
Tikman natin to. Kasi
Ito
tinanggal ko
guys,
yung sriracha.
ito
Ayan, masarap din.
Oh no, my Daddy wait.
So,
Bunso, ang likot mo naman.
My spoon. Guys, it's so
Hi,
yummy.
3. I'm just waiting for the mac and cheese, but it's almost ready now. And I have here
What's that? What is
is element of sea. If you
element
guys
of
like
sea.
Lobster. This is
Oh.
our biggest lobster in the ship.
Very good job.
No, this is small.
Yeah,
Small.
it's a small lobster. It's a spoonful of lobster meat, and it is coated with lobster bisque, and on top it's a caviar or fish egg.
Really?
My spoon is like this.
Kabiyaw.
Taiwan, are you enjoying your shrimp?
Okay.
Taiwan, I have your shrimp here, okay? If you like to try the shrimp.
Daddy, try this one, no?
Ah, you're eating Cypress shrimp.
I only.
Ayaw ni
So-
Cypress. Sige lang po, okay lang. And this is for you, Simon.
I don't like
Thank you naman po.
this.
Yeah. This is with caviar. Daddy, eto, nakatikim din ng caviar. Tama?
I'm helping you. But you need help.
Sige, tikman mo. Tikman ko. Bidyan mo ko. Tikman natin yung may caviar.
Just more. No.
Mmm.
Eat that. Guys, it's so yummy. Nice.
Perfect.
I'm not.
July 3, the chef said like enjoy.
Oh, wow.
So this is, be careful because mainit-init pa siya ha. Mapapasok ikaw.
Careful, my baby.
Careful, baby. This is the mac and
Mac and cheese.
and the chicken popcorn and
Wow.
edible paper made from soy. So you can eat that paper also. Mami, mainit pa.
Paper.
Yeah, you can eat this paper, anak.
And I'm gonna
Wait,
no, I
anak.
need for you also Simon.
You need to wait.
Sorry ha.
Ay,
Yeah, you can eat the paper.
careful,
Side
baby.
two, this is for
Yeah, you can eat that, baby.
Oh, sorry, baby.
You can eat that.
You can
Go.
It's made from soy. It doesn't just taste nothing, but that's edible paper.
Oh, wow.
You have also your mac and cheese and chicken
Oh,
popcorn.
wow. You eat. Ano?
Okay, let me just remove this plate so we have room.
Walang lasa. Akin na.
So, nagustuhan
Oh, you
mo
eat
ba
na.
yun? You're done with the
Then
shrimp?
I put that.
Nagustuhan mo ba yun?
Tissue daw. Oh, you eat na, you eat na. Chicken, popcorn, and mac and cheese. Yan. Dip it. Okay.
This is popcorn.
Yeah, chicken popcorn. You use your fork na. You use fork. Use fork, bunso. Look at ate eh. Wala kang lasa daw. Yan, good
Why
job.
did you do why can the
Mainit
spoon is
oh.
like
It's hot,
this?
it's hot.
Why the spoon and part like this?
Because it's Wonderland. You have a different kind of... Careful, it's hot.
It's a little bit of paper.
Danda kasi. Daddy, you want to try this vegetable? Okay. Dito lang. Lagay mo sa gilid mo. Tikman natin. Here.
Ikaw, tignan mo.
Ikaw muna. Ito ang bird's nest. Yung ginagamit sa Dubai. This is ito ginagamit sa Dubai chocolate.
Good.
Mom, try it.
Try it.
What's the taste, baby?
Good. You know why?
It's carrots.
You know why is it called Wonderland? Because you have to wonder, and then it's a land. Wonder. Yeah. And there's screws there. And what that works like this. And that's because it's wonder and then land.
Mm.
This is mine.
This one worth it, right? At least magtatry natin.
Veggie.
But
Carrots.
wrap
Broccoli.
asparagus.
Which one is bigger?
Carrots. Not bad.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Who's that?
Ano?
Parang ice cream pero hindi. Ice cream. The cone is made from wonton. On the bottom, careful, there's a wasabi.
Oh, anak manghang.
And in the middle, there's
Try
Alaskan
mo lang,
crab
try mo
meat.
lang.
That is a seaweed and avocado meat.
Oh, seaweed.
Try
Okay.
mo lang, try mo lang.
Try it. Siya, seaweed yan ang
Wasabi
favorite.
lang yung sa boto.
You try it, you try it.
Yung wasabi.
Wasabi.
Yung daw. Sa baba, sa ilalim lang daw.
May wasabi sa
Daddy, I
ilalim.
want to
Partner,
try
small
it.
bat of wasabi.
Mommy.
This is wonton.
You try it first.
Try it muna. Huwag nyo kainin. Akin na. Huwag mo kainin. Akin na, kakainin ko.
Ayaw niyo po.
Ayaw.
Ano lang
Mami.
ito pang picture?
Mami, ano ito?
Ah, parang avocado to, di ba? Yun, avocado.
Tapos may crab sa gitna.
Avocado siya.
Ano ito? Turon?
Turon.
Ata.
Tumamat.
Ata. Turon.
Ayun, ang shrimp. Huwag nyo kainin yung ilalim niya.
Ay ko.
Lagyan mo ito. Ayaw.
Natawa. Kaya nga.
Ano na yan? Ice for inside the hollow line there is a tuna tartar. Tuna tartar po siya na minarinate ng mayonnaise, sriracha, kimchi, Japanese mayo. Tapos on top of that, it's yuzu granite or lime sorbet po siya. Tapos may caviar naman, wasabi caviar, pero hindi siya manghang. Now on the side, there's a Parmesan crackers. And in order for you to enjoy that, using the small spoon you have, you carefully take out the whole lime, Tapos, tanggalin niyo po, remove the sorbet on the side. Scrape it out. Scoop the tuna, put on the top of the crackers and eat it. After that, cleanse your palate with the lime sorbet. Okay? Got it? Thank you.
Thank you. Tingnan.
You didn't even eat
Scrape it
that.
and then,
that.
ano
You
gagawin?
didn't even eat that. Yeah.
Talagay daw to
So what
sa
to do?
Ganyan.
Lalagyan niya. Okay, and then, yun na. Lasa.
Alright.
Sarap? Ikaw, Unso.
Okay, so
Okay,
so scrape it with a small spoon,
Okay. And then,
gonna get the cracker. Crackers over here. Wait, what do? We scoop
Wait.
it out and put it here.
Ganun straight. Dito. Dito mo straight. Dito.
It's okay.
Kaya kakainin mo pa yun.
No, I want to eat this.
go.
Ano lang yan? Ice lang yan.
I know.
Ay, lang yun. Gawin niya.
It's not ice. It's like flavored.
Lime.
Flavored. Yeah.
To clear your palate.
Macaroni yan. Mac and cheese sa loob. It's good. You like it?
And then I have next.
Anong next? Ito na po, yung pinaka-the best.
Oh.
Ilalagay ko lang para mapicturean niyo ng maayos.
Next. Oh,
Siyempre, huwag niyo
wow.
pahawakan kasi mainit po ito.
Ay,
Mainit.
huwag niyong hawakan mainit ha.
Mainit siya kasi hindi ko mama.
Oh, kung gusto niyo mapasok, hawakan mo. Kasi kailangan baliktarin mo eh. Oh, kung gusto niyo mapasok, hawakan mo. Oh, sige.
Mamaya.
Sige.
I'm full.
Ah,
Oh, wow.
Daddy, are you
wait lang. Patapos kasi
Yes, sir.
You need to wait.
After this
No,
one,
kakain pa kami.
Kain muna tapos kukunin ko na yung dessert after na to. Okay?
Wow. Ayan, papaliwanag ko na. Ayan.
Mami, keep mo na yan. Magperkuhan akong bago na to. May bago ako na to. Keep na lang sa side.
Oh, sige. Thank you. Wait lang,
No,
papaliwanag.
now this is a circle. Stop playing liar.
Ooh, parang pork. Parang pork to. Ayan.
Para siyang
Ano, apple pie pero chicharon ba to? Chicharon. Nakahuli ako
Kasi napaka-mild na chicharon na. Hindi siya yung para sa atin na salty talaga. I-start ko muna
Ate,
explain dito. Okay?
Guys, you listen.
Are you ready, Saiki?
Side 3. ang
Tignan mo
ingay mo
to.
talaga.
Tignan mo, ang ganda ng pagkain na to. Nakabalot. Parang pupunta ng fiesta. Magbalot. So again, this is the halibut fish. It's a white fish and it is cooked in a clear foil. It's Italian clear foil called carta farta. So hindi siya plastic lang na plastic. Foil po siya. Italian. No. Only the fish is edible except the foil and the plate. Okay? And I don't want you to eat in the bag. So tatanggalin ko na lang siya sa bag. But again guys, be careful kasi hindi siya 100% boneless. Parang may matira siyang mga buto-buto konti, mga ilan, isa, dalawa, tatlong piraso. With a touch of creamy mushroom sauce naman po. And please be careful kasi sobrang init po nito. Okay? I don't want you to burn, but you need to have few bites of your food side three so that I can get your cotton candy, okay? We have a deal, right? Now we have your pork belly also here where it has an apple puree, a pork skin or chicharon, fried kale, apple chips, pink peppercorn sauce naman nakaput sa kanya. Tapos sa ilalim parang ubod sa atin. Pero siya celery roots naman na shredded. Tapos it is cooked in a heavy cream. Okay, now we have your beef, short ribs. Looks like a brownie, right? But
So it's
not
beef.
brownie.
Mukhang masarap din yun.
Short ribs that is braised 5 to 6 hours naman. Kaya sobrang lambot niya po. And it is coated with the
Masarap
bordelaise
yan.
sauce, red wine reduction, creamy mashed potato, tapos may iba-iba kayong sauce sa gilid. Meron kayong apple puree, yellow beets, red beets, tapos butternut squash. Pumpkin seed, tapos may cherry tomato. Tapos anuhin nyo lang po, pag-tear nyo ng meat, i-dip nyo lang kung gusto nyo i-try. Now we have your imaginative island, you know, where the chicken lay egg, but the chef don't want to throw the egg, so they cook it into sunny side up and hard-boiled egg. But that egg is not real egg because the egg white is made from cauliflower and the egg yolk is made from butternut squash puree. Side 2, she took the spinach jelly naman po. Tapos chicken skin, baby carrots, bok choy or pichay sa atin. Tapos mashed potato naman. And this is also one of my favorite. This is the benzino fish fillet that is hiding on a crispy bread. Tinanggal po ng chef yung skin and replaced with the white bread. And it comes with the rice, basmati rice cooked in a coconut milk. With a mixture of sesame seeds, sesame oil, chopped bok choy, with the side of tamarind sauce. Now, try first the sauce po. Kung gusto niyo po, i-pour niyo all over the fish.
Thank you.
Daming pagkain. So please, if you need something else, if you like more, just let me know na lang
Okay,
po,
no
ha?
worries.
Okay,
Thank
I'll get
you.
the lime sorbet at more Shirley Turnbull with watermelon. Is that okay?
Thank you po.
You guys
Tikman
have to
natin.
eat ito, ha?
Okay. Sige.
Eat the yolk.
Try this first.
Ito, try natin.
Yan.
Uy, malambot na. Kaya, sige. Thank you.
Ano yan?
Malambot po.
Okay, try this first.
Okay, sige. Uy, itong malambot talaga to. Ito
Gusto, try this
ay...
first. Try this.
No.
Ano no? Hindi ka makakain ng ano, ng cotton candy.
Huwag na kaya, ano na. Marami siya. Uy, daddy, lambot. Alam mo yung parang ano sa atin.
Gusto, ito, try natin to.
Ano yan?
Sarap, anak. Beef.
Beef.
Uy, lambot.
Lambot, ha?
Ay, lambot. Lambot?
Ito malambot.
Ito. Ito yung ano. Ito yun, no? Ito yung ano. Daddy, kaya spoon, no? Mahal, ito. Oh, ganito siya.
I popped it.
Init nga na ito, oh. Nag-umuusok pa, oh. Ay, puta ka, solid legs. May rice yan. Pahingi ang konting rice. Ito malamot din, ha?
It looks like Granny. Mommy, Daddy, or this look like our bahay.
Daddy, lagay mo yung sauce. Pahingi akong sauce pala. Ano daw yung sauce, eh?
This looks like dark brown. I mean dark brown. So, I put dark brown.
Ate!
This is white.
Ate!
See?
Kuya mama niya. Ate, ano yung chicharon sa'yo?
Chicharon.
Lasang chicharon.
Hard. Simple. Simple. A little bit hard. Because chicharrons are basically like
Panalo.
Anything else you need aside from diet?
Panalo.
Thank you.
Ah, yan.
ito, last one. Last one.
Hindi yan sa'yo. Doon yung sa kabila, no?
One more bite for Cycling.
One more bite.
One more bite. Yes.
Last one.
Tapos na, pinaubos ko para sa
Yun ang galing, appear. Yun ang galing. Yun, lalaki.
Tini ka, ang laki.
Deserve mo na tong cotton candy, ha? Lulukin muna bago baka biglang nasa plato na yung nasa bibig.
Oo, ubusin yan.
Inom ka ng tubig habang nilunok ko yan.
Drink water.
Drink water. Slowly, ha?
Yung pilit na pilit.
Slowly. I'm gonna watch. It's okay. I'm gonna watch. I have full time.
Good job.
Good
Oh,
job.
ang galing-galing ni Saiti kumain ng mac and cheese, ah. Bro, ready ka na nito. One more bite ulit. Oh, tama na pala. Tama. So again, this is a pink vanilla cotton candy naman.
Lagay na natin to.
Pink vanilla cotton candy. Her name is Bob with the bow. I mean, wanna take a...
This way.
Ano lang rin,
Ay
pink
pala.
vanilla cotton candy. Tapos sabi niya, kurutin niyo ako, hilahin at kainin.
Oh, go na. Ayun.
Can we put it down?
Yes.
A boy's leg.
Dali, muntik na. Ay, yan. Hindi ako may thank you.
Tapos ko na po.
Oo, tapos na. Salamat ha.
Careful ha, be careful.
Tapos na po ba lahat?
Mm-mm.
Oh, kukunin ko na po.
Oo, thank you. Busog na.
Thank you ha, busog na busog kami.
Diba, worth it po yung
Oo,
pagkain.
thank you.
Which is that's too big. I share you all up. Oh. Which is gonna eat apple. Yeah.
Dahan-dahan.
Tama-tama, unti lang. Bunso, what's the taste? Side 3.
I dodge it. This time I dodge it. This time I dodge it. Don't just hit me. I'm gonna dodge. Actually.
Ay, ang ganda. Thank you.
I need
Picturean
to
niyo na
have.
lang po.
Oh, picture
muna, ha? Tapos, itagilid niyo na lang.
Yan na, quiet guys. Ooh. What's that?
Marami pong lahat po ng dessert. May nuts po. Yung safe lang.
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang.
Okay lang, hindi naman siya ganun.
Hindi naman siya ganun ka. Siron mamaya, para,
Explain ko muna sa one, okay?
Signan, maupo na kayo ng ayos. Oh, ayan na, explain na.
Okay.
Ooh,
So
you
everyone,
listen,
are
ha?
you ready?
Yes po.
Again, Mommy, Daddy, happy anniversary and Daddy,
Ah.
happy birthday po sa inyo, ha?
Thank you po.
Happy birthday,
Nahihiya
Alright,
na
so
siya.
everyone, this is your elemental dream. Your wonderless and dessert anxiety. Wanna
What's that?
focus, okay?
Focus,
Tignan
focus,
mo,
focus,
tignan
baby.
mo yun. Tignan mo to. Ito yung world or chocolate bowl na matutunaw dahil sa warm caramel sauce. Inside that world, there is a salted caramel ice cream with pecans, chocolate mousse, and a peanut butter creme brulee. Ang sarap-sarap niyan. Sobrang tamis.
Mommy, is this edible?
Mamaya.
But there's something that's spicy in that one. Again, are you ready?
We're not eating. We're not sleeping tonight.
You're gonna eat it
Worth it yung last day na dito kami kumain.
Salamat talaga na nag-try kayo po kasi yung iba natatakot pumunta dito kasi weird nga yung menu namin. Pero pag na-try na, naiintindihan na pag
Sige.
Si Cruz lang.
Si Cruz lang ang nag-explain.
Nag-explain sa amin.
Hey,
Kinausap kami.
Galing siya ng bakasyon sa
Sabi niya galing daw siya nagtrabaho.
Siya yung mag-hatter namin dati.
Guys, stop.
Taga-entertain, tagagawa ng balloon. mga bata.
Wait.
Ito naman po, careful kayo sa maliit na mushroom. Itong pink kasi mas spicy siya. It is made of meringue, has a mixture of cayenne pepper with pink peppercorn. So when you bite that spicy, take the mango sorbet to remove the spiciness in your tongue. And you have the big mushroom, it's like a Super Mario made from white chocolate mousse with hazelnut and pistachio. So when you eat the mousse, you mix with the soil. Soil is made from red velvet crumbs, chocolate crumbs, and pistachio nuts. Okay? Again, we have here your forbidden apple like a Snow White, but it's not forbidden to eat yung plato lang. Now the the apple is made from raspberry, blackberry mousse, and inside that apple there is
cake.
flourless coconut cookie, a
Oh,
lemon curd, and a
wow.
side of yogurt ice cream. Yung sa ilalim naman brioche crumble naman yan.
Oh,
Okay, everyone, please enjoy your dessert.
thank
I'll
you.
be back for your
Thank
tea.
you.
Okay?
No, actually eat that.
Oh, no. Use fork.
I'll eat this.
Use a spoon,
Happy
please.
anniversary.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Mommy, Daddy.
Thank you, anak. Let's try it. Let's try it. Use the spoon, please.
It's so yummy.
So yummy na. I'll try it. Dark chocolate to. I'll try this one. Ito, up. Anong burbi na?
Sarap pa ta?
Maasib.
Wait, what do Mommy, what do I have to do again?
Ito spicy lang daw.
I know.
Ito, may pistachio daw to. Huwag yan.
How do I mix?
Yeah, no. You just ganun lang. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
That one so good. Oh,
Ooh, sarap.
wrap na.
Let me try the white pig.
So, wag masyado magkalat,
Yeah.
ha?
The white one is so good.
Yeah.
Let me try it again because it's so good.
Merang to, merang.
Try the white one.
Kunin mo na, kunin mo na.
Ito. Try this. Here. Try this. Ito. Hindi yan.
Ang galing, no? Ayun. 10 out of 10. What?
10 out of 10. This one,
Lahat. Overall.
100 out of 10.
Wow. Overall.
99 billion shilling.
Overall, mahal. Super pack.
10 out of 10.
Ah, yeah. 10 out of 10.
And me,
Ikaw. Tinanong na kita.
100 dollars. No, I mean
$100. It's okay.
They're so yummy. It's like this little thing. It's good.
Merengue.
Still good. Sa English.
Merang.
Wrong.
Thank you.
Sana talaga nag-enjoy kayo. So,
Yes.
side
10 out of
1,
10.
side 2,
100 out of 10.
No, 10 is more than enough. If you put 100, andun ako sa kapitan, naggagawa ng ako noon. Okay lang ako dito. Okay, so guys, again, pipirman lang po kayo sila. Again, safe travel po tomorrow.
Oh, thank you.
Hopefully one day makita ko po.
Ah.
Ulit kayo. Malalaki
Hindi niya
na
makita.
mga-
Ako nang pipirma.
Si Mami na. Ingat po kayo, boss. But
Thank you. Price reveal. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Happy Life!